Do you need to find the fuse boxes or the OBD2 diagnostics port on a MK7 VW Golf? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and welcome to another video on the 2015 Golf GTI Mark7, and this is the performance spec model. But in this video I'm going to be showing you the locations of the 2 fuse boxes and the 1 diagnostics port, and that should be the same for all models of the Mark7. Now I will be showing you using this cheapy OBD2 scan tool, but this is actually just a prop for my videos. I would recommend you actually get a better tool to do the job. So we're going to start over the driver's side, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. We're going to go ahead and open up the door fully. With that open, we're just going to come down into the footwell, and you can actually see that purple connector there, and that is where we plug in our OBD2 tool. It goes on just like that, and you can actually see my lights have come on if you can see them, and then that is how you plug in your OBD2 tool. Next I'll show you the engine bay fuse box, so we're just going to pull that lever there, come around to the front of the car and put in your hand above the VW badge and squeeze that lever there up. With the engine bay open, we're just going to go over to the right hand side. So just to point out, that's actually your battery under there, and this is our engine bay fuse box. There is just 2 tabs, one to the front, one to the back, and you can take that off and then actually look at our fuses. Now for the fuse designation, it does change on some of the models, so I would recommend that you actually consult your owner's manual for which fuses do what. And just to show you, there is also a removal tool on the back. Make sure that's back on before you actually go ahead and close the bonnet. And lastly, we're going to come into the passenger side, and this is for the cabin fuse box, which is a little bit hard to do on this car. I'm just going to show you. So you're going to open up the glove box. Now inside here we've actually got 2 tabs. There's one there and there's one over here, and we're going to squeeze that up whilst pulling the glove box down. So I'm not actually sure if I can do this one-handed. There's one. No, can't get that up on my own. There we go. And that's allowed us to actually drop the glove box door, which comes down like that. Now it is worth mentioning that that does come off of that there, which, sorry, you can see it better now. So make sure when you put it back up, you actually slide that into that groove there. And that actually exposes our cabin fuse box. Much the same with our engine fuses, just consult your owner's manual for the fuse designation, or I believe you may be able to find some diagrams online. Just to show you how you put that glove box back up, just making sure that goes in there. You just lift it up and that actually locks itself back in. So there we go, a nice quick simple video for you today. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.